Today, we're embarking on a wonderful journey of flexibility and strength. Remember, every great athlete starts somewhere. You're taking the first step towards a healthier, more vibrant you.
Let's do this together.
Feel that energy flowing through your body? Embrace it. You're about to unlock a new level of flexibility that will leave you amazed. Don't worry if you can't touch your toes just yet.
Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your flexibility.
Trust the process and keep pushing yourself gently. Take a deep breath and let go of any tension. As you stretch, imagine your muscles becoming more flexible, your body becoming stronger, and your spirit feeling lighter. Picture yourself achieving your goals. See yourself gracefully reaching new heights, feeling fantastic, and radiating positivity. You're capable of more than you think. Remember, stretching is not just about physical benefits. It's a time for self-care and mental rejuvenation. Embrace this moment for yourself, and let your worries melt away. Feel free to modify any stretch to suit your body's needs.
Listen to your body, and it will guide you toward the right path.
You've got this. Stay present and focus on the sensation of each stretch. Feel the gentle pull, and appreciate the progress you're making. Trust me, it's worth it. I'm right here with you, supporting and cheering you on every step of the way. Together, we'll conquer any limitations and unlock the incredible potential within you. Subscribe to join our community of fitness enthusiasts. Like the video to support and spread positivity. Comment with any questions or requests. Prioritize self-care and stay committed. Thank you for joining, and see you in the next workout.